وما لي لا أعبد الذي فطرني وإليه ترجعون.
And why should I not worship the one who created me, and to whom you will be returned?
أأتخذ من دونه آلهة إن يردني الرحمن بضر لا تغن عني شفاعتهم شيئا ولا ينقذون.
Should I take gods other than him whose intercession will not avail me at all, and who will not be able to save me if the infinitely gracious wants to harm me?
إني إذا لفي ضلال مبين.
Then I would be in clear misguidance.
إني آمنت بربكم فاسمعون.
Indeed, I have believed in your Lord Allah, so listen to me.
قيل ادخل الجنة قال يا ليت قومي يعلمون.
It was said to him, enter paradise. He said, would that my nation knew.
بما غفر لي ربي وجعلني من المكرمين.
How my Lord granted me forgiveness and included me among the esteemed.
وما أنزلنا على قومه من بعده من جند من السماء وما كنا منزلين.
And we did not send down an army from the sky against his nation after him, nor were we about to send down an army there.
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم خامدون.
It was only a single piercing cry, so they became extinguished.
يا حسرة على العباد ما يأتيهم من رسول إلا كانوا به يستهزئون.
And it was said, alas for the people, a messenger did not come to them except that they mocked him.
ألم يروا كم أهلكنا قبلهم من القرون أنهم إليهم لا يرجعون.
Did they not see how many nations we have destroyed before them? They will not return to them.
وإن كل لما جميع لدينا محضرون.
And all of them, every single one, will be presented in our court.
وآية لهم الأرض الميتة أحييناها وأخرجنا منها حبا فمنه يأكلون.
A sign for them is the dead land, which we revived, and brought forth grain from it, so they eat from it.
وجعلنا فيها جنات من نخيل وأعناب وفجرنا فيها من العيون.
And we made gardens of date palms and grapevines therein, and we caused springs to gush forth therein.
ليأكلوا من ثمره وما عملته أيديهم أفلا يشكرون.
So that they may eat its fruits and their hands did not make them, so will they not express gratitude?
سبحان الذي خلق الأزواج كلها مما تنبت الأرض ومن أنفسهم ومما لا يعلمون.
Pure is He who created all pairs from that which the earth brings forth, and from people themselves, and from that which they do not know.
وآية لهم الليل نسلخ منه النهار فإذا هم مظلمون.
A sign for them is the night. We draw forth from it the day, hence they are left in darkness.
والشمس تجري لمستقر لها ذلك تقدير العزيز العليم.
And the sun will travel its course. This is the decree of the Almighty, the All-Knowing.
والقمر قدرناه منازل حتى عاد كالعرجون القديم.
And we have specified phases for the moon until it becomes like an old date stalk.
لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر ولا الليل سابق النهار وكل في فلك يسبحون.
It does not benefit the sun to reach the moon, nor will the night surpass the day, and each of them is floating in an orbit.
وآية لهم أنا حملنا ذريتهم في الفلك المشحون.
And a sign for them is that we made their offspring board a fully laden ark.
وخلقنا لهم من مثله ما يركبون.
And we created for them ships like it which they board.
وإن نشأ نغرقهم فلا صريخ لهم ولا هم ينقذون.
And if we want, we can cause them to drown. There would be no helper for them, nor would they be saved.
إلا رحمة منا ومتاعا إلى حين.
Accept mercy from us, and taking benefit for some time.
وإذا قيل لهم اتقوا ما بين أيديكم وما خلفكم لعلكم ترحمون.
It is said to them, fear that which is in front of you, and that which is behind you, that you may receive mercy.
وما تأتيهم من آية من آيات ربهم إلا كانوا عنها معرضين.
And there does not come to them a sign from the signs of their Lord, except that they turn away from it.
وإذا قيل لهم أنفقوا مما رزقكم الله قال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا أنطعم من لو يشاء الله أطعمه إن أنتم إلا في ضلال مبين.
And when it is said to them, spend in charity from that which Allah has provided you, the disbelievers say to the Muslims, should we feed the one whom if Allah willed he would have fed? You are only in clear misguidance.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
And they say, when will this promise come to pass if you are truthful?
ما ينظرون إلا صيحة واحدة تأخذهم وهم يخصمون.
They are only waiting for a piercing cry, which will seize them while they are disputing.
فلا يستطيعون توصية ولا إلى أهلهم يرجعون.
So they will not be able to make a will, nor return to their kin.
ونفخ في الصور فإذا هم من الأجداث إلى ربهم ينسلون.
The horn will be blown. Then they will rise from their graves, rushing forth towards their Lord.
قالوا يا ويلنا من بعثنا من مرقدنا هذا ما وعد الرحمن وصدق المرسلون.
They will say, Woe to us! Who has awakened us from our sleep? This is what the infinitely gracious had promised us, and the messengers had spoken the truth.
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم جميع لدينا محضرون.
It will only be a single piercing cry, then all of them shall be presented in our court.
فاليوم لا تظلم نفس شيئا ولا تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون.
So this day no life shall be wronged, and you will only be recompensed for your deeds.
إن أصحاب الجنة اليوم في شغل فاكهون.
Indeed, this day the people of paradise will be enjoying pleasant experiences.
هم وأزواجهم في ظلال على الأرائك متكئون.
They and their wives shall be in the shade reclining upon thrones.
لهم فيها فاكهة ولهم ما يدعون.
There will be fruit for them therein, and they will have whatever they request.
سلام قولا من رب رحيم.
Peace, a word from the most merciful Lord.
وامتازوا اليوم أيها المجرمون.
Stand aside this day, O evildoers.
ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم ألا تعبدوا الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين.
Did I not take an oath from you, O children of Adam, that you do not worship Satan? Certainly he is your open enemy.
وأن اعبدوني هذا صراط مستقيم.
And that you worship me. This is the straight path.
ولقد أضل منكم جبلا كثيرا أفلم تكونوا تعقلون.
He has led much of creation from among you astray. Did you not understand?
هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون.
This is the hell which you were warned about.
اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون.
Enter it this day due to your disbelief.
اليوم نختم على أفواههم وتكلمنا أيديهم وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون.
This day we shall seal their mouths and their hands will speak to us, and their feet will bear witness to their deeds.
ولو نشاء لطمسنا على أعينهم فاستبقوا الصراط فأنى يبصرون.
Had we willed, we would have erased their eyes, then they would have hastened towards the path. So how would they see?
ولو نشاء لمسخناهم على مكانتهم فما استطاعوا مضيا ولا يرجعون.
And had we willed, we would have changed their faces in their abodes, so they would neither be able to proceed nor return.
ومن نعمره ننكسه في الخلق أفلا يعقلون.
To whomsoever we grant a long life, we reverse him in form. Did they not understand?
وما علمناه الشعر وما ينبغي له إن هو إلا ذكر وقرآن مبين.
And we did not teach him poetry, nor does it befit him. It is only advice and an illuminating book.
لينذر من كان حيا ويحق القول على الكافرين.
That he may warn every living individual, and the word may be established against the disbelievers.
أولم يروا أنا خلقنا لهم مما عملت أيدينا أنعاما فهم لها مالكون.
Did they not see that we created livestock for them with our hands, so they are their owners?
وَذَلَّلْنَاهَا لَهُمْ فَمِنْهَا رَكُوبُهُمْ وَمِنْهَا يَأْكُلُونَ.
So we made them submissive for them. So some are their conveyances and some they eat.
وَلَهُمْ فِيهَا مَنَافِعُ وَمَشَارِبُ أَفَلَا يَشْكُرُونَ.
And for them there are benefits therein and drinks. Will they not show gratitude?
وَاتَّخَذُوا مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ آلِهَةً لَعَلَّهُمْ يُنصَرُونَ.
And they have taken gods other than Allah that perhaps they may be helped.
لا يستطيعون نصرهم وهم لهم جند محضرون.
Those gods are not able to help them, and the people themselves are troops in attendance for them.
فلا يحزنك قولهم إنا نعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون.
So do not let their statement grieve you. Surely we know that which they conceal and that which they reveal.
أولم ير الإنسان أنا خلقناه من نطفة فإذا هو خصيم مبين.
And did man not see that we created him from a droplet? Then he became openly defiant.
وضرب لنا مثلا ونسي خلقه قال من يحيي العظام وهي رميم.
And he states an example for us and has forgotten his creation. He said, who gives life to bones when they have disintegrated?
قل يحييها الذي أنشأها أول مرة وهو بكل خلق عليم.
Say, He will give them life who created them the very first time, and He knows every creation.
الذي جعل لكم من الشجر الأخضر نارا فإذا أنتم منه توقدون.
It is He who made fire for you from a green tree, hence you kindle your fire from it.
أوليس الذي خلق السماوات والأرض بقادر على أن يخلق مثلهم بلى وهو الخلاق العليم.
Is He who created the heavens and the earth not able to create their equivalent? Why not? And He is the Supreme Creator, the All-Knowing.
إنما أمره إذا أراد شيئا أن يقول له كن فيكون.
His decree is only this, that when He intends a matter, He says to it be, and it is.
فسبحان الذي بيده ملكوت كل شيء وإليه ترجعون.
So pure is He, in whose hands is the control of all things, and to Him you shall be returned. Surah Al-Saffat, those who stand in rows. This surah is Meccan, containing 5 sections and 182 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
والصافات صفا.
By those who have made orderly rows.
فالزاجرات زجرا.
Then by those who impel with force.
فالتاليات ذكرا.
Then by those who recite the Quran.
إن إلهكم لواحد.
Indeed your Lord is one.
رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما ورب المشارق.
Lord of the heavens and the earth, and all that lies between them, and Lord of the points of sunrise.
إنا زينا السماء الدنيا بزينة الكواكب.
Indeed, we adorn the lowest heaven with stars.
وحفظا من كل شيطان مارد.
And to protect from every rebellious devil.
لا يسمعون إلى الملأ الأعلى ويقذفون من كل جانب.
They cannot listen to the matters discussed in the highest realm, and they are struck from every direction.
دحورا ولهم عذاب واصب.
To drive them away, and there is eternal torment for them.
إلا من خطف الخطفة فأتبعه شهاب ثاقب.
Except whosoever steals away some speech on occasion, then a bright flame pursues him.
فاستفتهم أهم أشد خلقا أم من خلقنا إنا خلقناهم من طين لازب.
So ask them, is their creation more difficult or our other creation? Indeed, we have created them from sticky clay.
بل عجبت ويسخرون.
Rather you express surprise while they are mocking.
وإذا ذكروا لا يذكرون
And when they are advised, they do not heed advice.
وإذا رأوا آية يستسخرون
And when they see a sign, they ridicule it.
وقالوا إن هذا إلا سحر مبين
And they say, this is only clear sorcery.
أإذا متنا وكنا ترابا وعظاما أإنا لمبعوثون
When we have died and become dust and bones, will we then be raised?
أو آباؤنا الأولون
And our forefathers too?
قل نعم وأنتم داخرون
Say, yes, and you shall be humiliated.
فإنما هي زجرة واحدة فإذا هم ينظرون
So it will be a single scolding, then they will begin to see.
وقالوا يا ويلنا هذا يوم الدين
And they will say, alas, our ruin, this is the day of recompense.
هذا يوم الفصل الذي كنتم به تكذبون
This is the day of verdict, which you used to deny.
احشروا الذين ظلموا وأزواجهم وما كانوا يعبدون
Gather the oppressors and their comrades and that which they were worshipping.
من دون الله فاهدوهم إلى صراط الجحيم
Other than Allah, then show them the way to hell.
وقفوهم إنهم مسؤولون
And stop them, indeed they shall be questioned.
ما لكم لا تناصرون
What is the matter with you? Why do you not help each other?
بل هم اليوم مستسلمون
Rather, this day they will be submissively present.
وأقبل بعضهم على بعض يتساءلون
Some will turn to others questioning one another.
قالوا إنكم كنتم تأتوننا عن اليمين
They will say, you used to come to us with power.
قالوا بل لم تكونوا مؤمنين
They will say, rather you disbelieved yourselves.
وما كان لنا عليكم من سلطان بل كنتم قوما طاغين
And we had no power over you, rather you were rebellious people.
فحق علينا قول ربنا إنا لذائقون
So the word of our Lord was established against us that we shall indeed taste punishment.
فأغويناكم إنا كنا غاوين
So we led you astray. Indeed, we ourselves were misguided.
فإنهم يومئذ في العذاب مشتركون
So on that day they will all share the punishment.
إنا كذلك نفعل بالمجرمين.
Thus we deal with the wrongdoers.
إنهم كانوا إذا قيل لهم لا إله إلا الله يستكبرون.
When it was said to them, there is no God except Allah, they would resort to arrogance.
ويقولون أئنا لتاركو آلهتنا لشاعر مجنون.
And they would say, should we forsake our gods for an insane poet?
بل جاء بالحق وصدق المرسلين.
Rather, he brought the truth, and he confirmed the messengers.
إنكم لذائق العذاب الأليم.
Indeed, you will taste painful punishment.
وما تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون.
And you will only be recompensed for your deeds.
إلا عباد الله المخلصين.
Except the chosen people of Allah.
أولئك لهم رزق معلوم.
For them there will be known sustenance.
فواكه وهم مكرمون.
Fruits, and they will be honored.
في جنات النعيم.
In gardens of comfort.
على سرر متقابلين.
Upon thrones facing one another.
يطاف عليهم بكأس من معين.
Cups of pure heavenly wine will be presented to them.
بيضاء لذة للشاربين.
White, delightful to those who drink.
لا فيها غول ولا هم عنها ينزفون.
There will be no loss of judgment due to it, nor will they be intoxicated.
وعندهم قاصرات الطرف عين.
And with them will be maidens who lower their gaze, having large, beautiful eyes.
كأنهن بيض مكنون.
As if they were preserved eggs.
فأقبل بعضهم على بعض يتساءلون.
Then some of them, i.e., the people of paradise, will face others questioning one another.
قال قائل منهم إني كان لي قرين.
A speaker among them will say, indeed, I once had a companion.
يقول أئنك لمن المصدقين.
Who would say, are you among those who attest?
أإذا متنا وكنا ترابا وعظاما أإنا لمدينون. When we have died and become dust and bones, will we then be recompensed? قال هل أنتم مطلعون.
He, i.e., the first speaker will say, will you take a look into the fire?
فاطلع فرآه في سواء الجحيم.
So he will look, then he will see his companion in the middle of the blazing fire.
قال تالله إن كدت لتردين.
He will say, By Allah, you almost destroyed me.
ولولا نعمة ربي لكنت من المحضرين.
And had it not been for the favour of my Lord, I would certainly have been seized and arraigned.
أفما نحن بميتين.
So will we not die?
إلا موتتنا الأولى وما نحن بمعذبين.
Except for our first death, and we will not be punished.
إن هذا لهو الفوز العظيم.
Indeed, this is supreme success.
لمثل هذا فليعمل العاملون.
Those who work should work for such success.
أذلك خير نزلا أم شجرة الزقوم.
Is this hospitality better or the tree of Zakkum?
إنا جعلناها فتنة للظالمين.
We have made it a trial for the oppressors.
إنها شجرة تخرج في أصل الجحيم.
It is a tree which comes forth from the depths of hell.
طلعها كأنه رؤوس الشياطين.
Its buds are like the heads of devils.
فإنهم لآكلون منها فمالئون منها البطون.
Then they shall eat from it, so they will fill their stomachs with it.
ثم إن لهم عليها لشوبا من حميم.
Then indeed on top of that there is a blend of boiling water for them.
ثم إن مرجعهم لإلى الجحيم.
Then certainly their return is to the blazing fire.
إنهم ألفوا آباءهم ضالين.
They found their forefathers astray,
فهم على آثارهم يهرعون.
so they hasten in their footsteps.
ولقد ضل قبلهم أكثر الأولين.
And surely before them many predecessors went astray.
ولقد أرسلنا فيهم منذرين. And
we certainly sent warners among them.
فانظر كيف كان عاقبة المنذرين.
So see what became of the warned.
إلا عباد الله المخلصين.
Except the chosen people of Allah.
ولقد نادانا نوح فلنعم المجيبون.
Certainly Nuh called upon us, so what excellent responders we are.
ونجيناه وأهله من الكرب العظيم.
We granted him and his family salvation from the great calamity.
وجعلنا ذريته هم الباقين.
And we only preserved his progeny.
وتركنا عليه في الآخرين.
And we maintained his praise among the later generations.
سلام على نوح في العالمين.
Peace be upon Nuh among all the inhabitants of the world.
إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين.
Indeed, thus we recompense the virtuous.
إنه من عبادنا المؤمنين.
Certainly he is from our people who have the highest level of perfect faith.
ثم أغرقنا الآخرين.
Then we drowned the others.
وإن من شيعته لإبراهيم.
And certainly Ibrahim is from his group.
إذ جاء ربه بقلب سليم.
When he came to his Lord with a pure heart.
إذ قال لأبيه وقومه ماذا تعبدون.
When he said to his father, i.e., uncle, and his nation, what do you worship?
أئفكا آلهة دون الله تريدون.
Do you seek gods other than Allah through fabrication?
فما ظنكم برب العالمين.
So what do you think of the Lord of all the worlds?
فنظر نظرة في النجوم.
Then he looked once at the stars.
فقال إني سقيم.
So he said, I am about to become ill.
فتولوا عنه مدبرين.
So they withdrew from him, turning their backs.
فراغ إلى آلهتهم فقال ألا تأكلون.
Then he proceeded secretly towards their gods. So he said, Do you not eat?
ما لكم لا تنطقون.
What is the matter with you that you do not speak?
فراغ عليهم ضربا باليمين.
So he began to strike them with his right hand secretly.
فأقبلوا إليه يزفون.
Then they came to him rushing.
قال أتعبدون ما تنحتون.
He said, Do you worship that which you yourselves carve?
والله خلقكم وما تعملون.
And Allah created you and your deeds.
قالوا ابنوا له بنيانا فألقوه في الجحيم.
They said, Erect for him a structure, then cast him into the blazing fire.
فأرادوا به كيدا فجعلناهم الأسفلين.
So they wanted to deceive him, so we made them the lowest.
وقال إني ذاهب إلى ربي سيهدين.
And he said, Indeed I am going to my Lord, so he will guide me.
رب هب لي من الصالحين.
O my Lord, grant me a pious child.
فبشرناه بغلام حليم.
So we gave him glad tidings of a forbearing boy.
فلما بلغ معه السعي قال يا بني إني أرى في المنام أني أذبحك فانظر ماذا ترى. قال يا أبت افعل ما تؤمر ستجدني إن شاء الله من الصابرين.
When he reached the age of striving in his company, he said, O my son, I have seen in a dream that I am sacrificing you. So consider, what is your opinion? He said, O my father, do what you have been commanded to do. If Allah wills, you shall soon find me to be among the patient.
فلما أسلما وتله للجبين.
So when both submitted and he, i.e. Ibrahim, laid him, his son, down upon his forehead,
وناديناه أن يا إبراهيم.
and we called out to him, O Ibrahim,
قد صدقت الرؤيا إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين.
you have certainly fulfilled the dream. Thus we reward the virtuous.
إن هذا لهو البلاء المبين.
Indeed, this was a clear trial.
وفديناه بذبح عظيم.
And we ransomed him with a great sacrifice.
وتركنا عليه في الآخرين.
And we maintained his praise among the later generations.
سلام على إبراهيم.
Peace be upon Ibrahim.
كذلك نجزي المحسنين.
Thus we recompense the virtuous.
إنه من عبادنا المؤمنين.
He is from our people who have the highest level of perfect faith.
وبشرناه بإسحاق نبيا من الصالحين.
And we gave him glad tidings of Ishaq, who is a prophet among the righteous elite.
وباركنا عليه وعلى إسحاق ومن ذريتهما محسن وظالم لنفسه مبين.
And we blessed him and Ishaq, and from their offspring some are virtuous and some clearly wrong themselves.
ولقد مننا على موسى وهارون.
And we certainly bestowed favor upon Musa and Harun.
ونجيناهما وقومهما من الكرب العظيم.
And we granted them and their nation salvation from a great calamity.
ونصرناهم فكانوا هم الغالبين.
And we helped them so they prevailed.
وآتيناهما الكتاب المستبين.
And we granted them the illuminating book.
وهديناهما الصراط المستقيم.
And we showed them the straight path.
وتركنا عليهما في الآخرين.
And we maintained their praise among the later generations.
سلام على موسى وهارون.
Peace be upon Musa and Harun.
إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين.
Thus we recompense the virtuous.
إنهما من عبادنا المؤمنين.
Indeed, they are from our people who have the highest level of perfect faith.
وإن إلياس لمن المرسلين.
And indeed, Ilyas is among the messengers.
إذ قال لقومه ألا تتقون.
When he said to his nation, "Do you not fear?
أتدعون بعلا وتذرون أحسن الخالقين.
Do you worship Baal, leaving the best of creators?
الله ربكم ورب الأولين.
Allah is your Lord and the Lord of your forefathers.
فكذبوه فإنهم لمحضرون.
Then they denied him, so they will certainly be arraigned.
إلا عباد الله المخلصين.
Except the chosen people of Allah.
وتركنا عليه في الآخرين.
And we maintained his praise among the later generations.
سلام على الياسين.
Peace be upon Ilyas.
إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين.
Thus we recompense the virtuous.
إنه من عبادنا المؤمنين.
Indeed, he is from our people who have the highest level of perfect faith.
وإن لوطا لمن المرسلين.
Certainly Lut is from the messengers.
إذ نجيناه وأهله أجمعين.
When we granted him and his whole family salvation,
إلا عجوزا في الغابرين.
except an old woman among those who remained behind.
ثم دمرنا الآخرين.
Then we destroyed the others.
وإنكم لتمرون عليهم مصبحين.
And indeed you pass by them in the morning.
وبالليل أفلا تعقلون.
And at night, do you not understand?
وإن يونس لمن المرسلين.
And indeed Yunus is among the messengers.
إذ أبق إلى الفلك المشحون.
When he went forth towards a fully laden ship,
فساهم فكان من المدحضين.
so he, the shipmaster, cast lots. Then he, Yunus, became among those who were pushed away.
فالتقمه الحوت وهو مليم.
Then he was swallowed by a fish and he was blaming himself.
فلولا أنه كان من المسبحين.
So had he not been among those who glorify Allah,
للبث في بطنه إلى يوم يبعثون.
he would certainly have stayed in its belly until the day of resurrection.
فنبذناه بالعراء وهو سقيم.
Then we placed him ashore while he was sick.
وأنبتنا عليه شجرة من يقطين.
And we caused a gourd tree to grow over him.
وأرسلناه إلى 100,000 أو يزيدون.
And we sent him to 100,000 people, in fact even more.
فآمنوا فمتعناهم إلى حين.
Then they believed, so we granted them provision for a specified time.
فاستفتهم ألربك البنات ولهم البنون.
So ask them, are there daughters for your Lord and sons for them?
أم خلقنا الملائكة إناثا وهم شاهدون.
Or did we make angels female and they were present?
ألا إنهم من إفكهم ليقولون.
Pay heed, indeed they speak from their slander.
ولد الله وإنهم لكاذبون.
That Allah has children, and indeed they are liars.
أصطفى البنات على البنين.
Has He chosen daughters over sons?
ما لكم كيف تحكمون.
What is the matter with you? How do you judge?
أفلا تذكرون.
Do you not reflect?
أم لكم سلطان مبين.
Or do you have a clear proof?
فأتوا بكتابكم إن كنتم صادقين.
So bring forth your book if you are truthful.
وجعلوا بينه وبين الجنة نسبا ولقد علمت الجنة إنهم لمحضرون.
And they alleged a bond of lineage between him and the jinn, and the evil jinn certainly know that indeed they shall be arraigned.
سبحان الله عما يصفون.
Allah is pure from that which they ascribe.
إلا عباد الله المخلصين.
Except the chosen people of Allah.
فإنكم وما تعبدون.
So you and that which you worship other than Allah.
ما أنتم عليه بفاتنين.
You cannot incite anyone against him.
إلا من هو صال الجحيم.
Except he who will enter the blazing fire.
وما منا إلا له مقام معلوم.
The angels say, there is none among us except he who has a known station.
وإنا لنحن الصافون.
And indeed we are standing in rows.
وإنا لنحن المسبحون.
And we glorify him.
وإن كانوا ليقولون.
And indeed they, the disbelievers, used to say,
لو أن عندنا ذكرا من الأولين.
if we had some advice of the predecessors,
لكنا عباد الله المخلصين.
we would certainly have been among the chosen people of Allah.
فكفروا به فسوف يعلمون.
Then they denied it, so soon they shall come to know.
ولقد سبقت كلمتنا لعبادنا المرسلين.
And our word has already gone forth for our people, the messengers.
إنهم لهم المنصورون.
That surely they will be helped.
وإن جندنا لهم الغالبون.
Our army will be victorious.
فتول عنهم حتى حين.
So turn away from them until a specified time.
وأبصرهم فسوف يبصرون.
And observe them, then soon they shall see.
أفبعذابنا يستعجلون.
So do they seek our punishment in haste?
فإذا نزل بساحتهم فساء صباح المنذرين.
So when it shall descend upon their courtyard, how terrible will be the morning of the warned.
وتول عنهم حتى حين.
So turn away from them until a specified time.
وأبصر فسوف يبصرون.
And observe them, then soon they shall see.
سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون.
Your Lord the Exalted is pure from that which they ascribe.
وسلام على المرسلين.
And peace be upon the messengers.
والحمد لله رب العالمين.
And all praise is for Allah, the Lord of all the worlds. Surah Swad. This surah is Meccan, containing 5 sections and 88 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
صاد والقرآن ذي الذكر.
Sword. By the Quran, which consists of advice.
بل الذين كفروا في عزة وشقاق.
But the disbelievers are in arrogance and conflict.
كم أهلكنا من قبلهم من قرن فنادوا ولا حين مناص.
So many generations have we destroyed. They called out even though there was no time to escape.
وعجبوا أن جاءهم منذر منهم وقال الكافرون هذا ساحر كذاب.
And they were surprised by this, that a warner came to them from among them, and the disbelievers said, "This is a sorcerer, a great liar."
أجعل الآلهة إلها واحدا إن هذا لشيء عجاب.
Has he made many gods one God? This is a very strange matter.
وانطلق الملأ منهم أن امشوا واصبروا على آلهتكم إن هذا لشيء يراد.
And the chiefs among them walked away, saying, "O people, you walk away too and be firm upon believing in your gods. In this matter there is certainly something intended."
ما سمعنا بهذا في الملة الآخرة إن هذا إلا اختلاق.
We did not hear of this in the last religion, i.e., Christianity. This is only a fabrication.
أأنزل عليه الذكر من بيننا بل هم في شك من ذكري بل لما يذوقوا عذاب.
Has the remembrance, Quran, been sent down upon him among us? Rather, they are in doubt concerning my book. In fact, they have not yet tasted my punishment.
أم عندهم خزائن رحمة ربك العزيز الوهاب.
Do they have the treasures of the mercy of your most exalted, most bestowing Lord?
أم لهم ملك السماوات والأرض وما بينهما فليرتقوا في الأسباب.
Or do they have the kingdom of the heavens and the earth and all that lies between them? Then let them ascend with ropes.
جند ما هنالك مهزوم من الأحزاب.
A humiliated army among groups that shall be defeated here.
كذبت قبلهم قوم نوح وعاد وفرعون ذو الأوتاد.
The nation of Nuh denied before them, and so did Ad and Pharaoh, the possessor of spikes.
وثمود وقوم لوط وأصحاب الأيكة أولئك الأحزاب.
And Thamud and the nation of Lut and the people of Acre. These are the groups.
إن كل إلا كذب الرسل فحق عقاب.
All of them denied the messengers, so my retribution became necessary.
وما ينظر هؤلاء إلا صيحة واحدة ما لها من فواق.
And these people are waiting for a piercing cry for which there is no deferral.
وقالوا ربنا عجل لنا قطنا قبل يوم الحساب.
And they said, O our Lord, grant us our share quickly before the day of reckoning.
اصبر على ما يقولون واذكر عبدنا داود ذا الأيد إنه أواب.
Bear with patience what they say, and remember our chosen one, Dawood, the possessor of blessings. Indeed, he is one who often returns to us.
إنا سخرنا الجبال معه يسبحن بالعشي والإشراق.
We made the mountains submit with him. They glorify Allah by evening and sunrise.
والطير محشورة كل له أواب.
And the birds gathered, all were obedient to him.
وشددنا ملكه وآتيناه الحكمة وفصل الخطاب.
And we strengthened his kingdom, and we endowed him with wisdom and decisive judgment.
وهل أتاك نبأ الخصم إذ تسوروا المحراب.
And did news come to you of the claimants when they climbed over the wall and entered the prayer chamber?
إذ دخلوا على داود ففزع منهم قالوا لا تخف خصمان بغى بعضنا على بعض فاحكم بيننا بالحق ولا تشطط واهدنا إلى سواء الصراط.
When they approached Dawood, he was in awe of them. They said, Fear not, we are two claimants. One of us has transgressed against the other. So judge between us with the truth and do not oppose the truth, and guide us to the straight path.
إن هذا أخي له 99 نعجة ولي نعجة واحدة فقال أكفلنيها وعزني في الخطاب.
Indeed, this is my brother. He has 99 ewes, and I have a single ewe. Now he says, Give it to me. And he has compelled me through speech.
قال لقد ظلمك بسؤال نعجتك إلى نعاجه وإن كثيرا من الخلطاء ليبغي بعضهم على بعض إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وقليل ما هم. وظن داود أنما فتناه فاستغفر ربه وخر راكعا وأناب.
He said,
He has certainly transgressed against you by asking to join your ewe with his ewes. Surely many partners wrong each other except the believers, and those who do virtuous deeds, and they are very few. And Dawood understood that we had tested him, so he sought forgiveness from his Lord, and fell prostrate and returned.
فغفرنا له ذلك وإن له عندنا لزلفى وحسن مآب.
So we forgave him for that. In our court there is certainly nearness and an excellent abode for him.
يا داود إنا جعلناك خليفة في الأرض فاحكم بين الناس بالحق ولا تتبع الهوى فيضلك عن سبيل الله. إن الذين يضلون عن سبيل الله لهم عذاب شديد بما نسوا يوم الحساب.
O Dawood, we have made you a vicegerent, i.e. Khalifa in the earth. So judge between the people with the truth and do not follow desires, lest it should cause you to deviate from the way of Allah. Those who deviate from the way of Allah, there is severe punishment for them as they forgot the day of reckoning.
وما خلقنا السماء والأرض وما بينهما باطلا ذلك ظن الذين كفروا فويل للذين كفروا من النار.
We did not create the sky and the earth and all that lies between them without purpose. This is the thinking of the disbelievers. So woe to the disbelievers from the fire.
أم نجعل الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات كالمفسدين في الأرض أم نجعل المتقين كالفجار.
Will we make those who believe and do righteous deeds like those who spread discord in the earth? Will we make the pious like the disobedient?
كتاب أنزلناه إليك مبارك ليدبروا آياته وليتذكر أولو الألباب.
An auspicious book which we have sent down to you, that people may reflect upon its verses and the intelligent may attain advice.
ووهبنا لداود سليمان نعم العبد إنه أواب.
And we gave Suleiman to Dawood. What an excellent individual he is. He is one who often returns to us.
إذ عرض عليه بالعشي الصافنات الجياد.
When such horses were presented to him in the evening, that stood upon 3 legs and touched the ground with the edge of the 4th hoof, exceptionally swift,
فقال إني أحببت حب الخير عن ذكر ربي حتى توارت بالحجاب.
Then he, Suleiman, said, Indeed, I have preferred the love of horses for the remembrance of my Lord. Then he commanded them to go, until they disappeared from sight behind a veil.
ردوها علي فطفق مسحا بالسوق والأعناق.
Then he commanded, Bring them back to me. Then he began to stroke their shins and necks.
ولقد فتنا سليمان وألقينا على كرسيه جسدا ثم أناب.
And we
We certainly tested Suleiman, and we placed a lifeless body upon his throne. Then he returned to us.
قال رب اغفر لي وهب لي ملكا لا ينبغي لأحد من بعدي إنك أنت الوهاب.
He said, O my Lord, forgive me and grant me a kingdom that does not befit anyone after me. Indeed, you are the most bestowing.
فسخرنا له الريح تجري بأمره رخاء حيث أصاب.
So we granted him control over the wind. It would travel gently with his command, wherever he wanted it to reach.
والشياطين كل بناء وغواص.
And the jinn, every builder and diver.
وآخرين مقرنين في الأصفاد.
And the others bound in shackles.
هذا عطاؤنا فامنن أو أمسك بغير حساب.
This is our bestowal, so bestow favor or withhold, without accountability upon you.
وإن له عندنا لزلفى وحسن مآب.
In our court there is nearness and an excellent abode for him.
واذكر عبدنا أيوب إذ نادى ربه أني مسني الشيطان بنصب وعذاب.
And remember our chosen one, Ayub, when he called upon his Lord, Satan has afflicted me with pain and torment.
اركض برجلك هذا مغتسل بارد وشراب.
We said, strike the ground with your foot. This is a cool spring for bathing and drinking.
ووهبنا له أهله ومثلهم معهم رحمة منا وذكرى لأولي الألباب.
And we granted him his family again, and their equivalent with them as mercy from us, and advice for the people of intelligence.
وخذ بيدك ضغثا فاضرب به ولا تحنث إنا وجدناه صابرا نعم العبد إنه أواب.
And hold a broom in your hand, then strike with it, and do not break the oath. We found him to be patient. What an excellent individual he is. He is one who often returns to us.
واذكر عبادنا إبراهيم وإسحاق ويعقوب أولي الأيدي والأبصار.
Remember our people Ibrahim, Ishaq and Yaqub, possessors of might and insight.
إنا أخلصناهم بخالصة ذكر الدار.
We specified them through a pure word. It is the remembrance of the abode in the hereafter.
وإنهم عندنا لمن المصطفين الأخيار.
And indeed to us, they are certainly among the exceptional chosen ones.
واذكر إسماعيل واليسع وذا الكفل وكل من الأخيار.
Remember Ismail, Al-Yasa and Dhul Kifl, and all are exceptional individuals.
هذا ذكر وإن للمتقين لحسن مآب.
This is advice. There is an excellent abode for the pious.
جنات عدن مفتحة لهم الأبواب
Gardens of residence, all doors of which are open for them.
متكئين فيها يدعون فيها بفاكهة كثيرة وشراب
Reclining therein and asking for many fruits and drinks.
وعندهم قاصرات الطرف أتراب
And they will have wives who look upon none other than their husband of the same age.
هذا ما توعدون ليوم الحساب
This is that which you are promised for the day of reckoning.
إن هذا لرزقنا ما له من نفاد
This is our sustenance. There is no depletion for it.
هذا وإن للطاغين لشر مآب
This, and there is a terrible abode for the transgressors.
جهنم يصلونها فبئس المهاد
Hell, they will enter it. So what an evil resting place it is.
هذا فليذوقوه حميم وغساق
This, let them taste it, boiling water and pus.
وآخر من شكله أزواج
And other punishments of a similar nature.
هذا فوج مقتحم معكم لا مرحبا بهم إنهم صالوا النار
The leaders shall be told, this is another army sinking with you. The leaders will say, there is no welcome for them. They are entering the fire.
قالوا بل أنتم لا مرحبا بكم أنتم قدمتموه لنا فبئس القرار
They, the followers, will say, rather there is no welcome for you. You have brought this calamity upon us. So what an evil abode it is.
قالوا ربنا من قدم لنا هذا فزده عذابا ضعفا في النار
They, the followers, will say, O our Lord, whosoever brought this calamity upon us, double his punishment in the fire.
وقالوا ما لنا لا نرى رجالا كنا نعدهم من الأشرار
And they, the disbelievers, will say, what is the matter with us that we do not see the men whom we had considered to be among the wicked?
أتخذناهم سخريا أم زاغت عنهم الأبصار
Did we take them in mockery or have eyes swerved away from them?
إن ذلك لحق تخاصم أهل النار
This mutual disputing of the people of the fire is true.
قل إنما أنا منذر وما من إله إلا الله الواحد القهار
Say, I am only a warner, and there is no God but Allah, the one, the predominant.
رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما العزيز الغفار
Lord of the heavens and the earth and all that lies between them, the most exalted, the most forgiving.
قل هو نبأ عظيم
Say, it is a great message.
أنتم عنه معرضون
You have turned away from it.
ما كان لي من علم بالملأ الأعلى إذ يختصمون
I had no knowledge of the highest realm when they were disputing.
إن يوحى إلي إلا أنما أنا نذير مبين.
It is only revealed to me that I am but a clear warner.
إذ قال ربك للملائكة إني خالق بشرا من طين.
When your Lord said to the angels, I am about to make a human being from clay.
فإذا سويته ونفخت فيه من روحي فقعوا له ساجدين.
So when I have formed him completely and blown into him a special soul of mine, then fall into prostration to him.
فسجد الملائكة كلهم أجمعون.
So all the angels prostrated together,
إلا إبليس استكبر وكان من الكافرين.
except Iblis, i.e. Satan. He resorted to arrogance and became among the disbelievers.
قال يا إبليس ما منعك أن تسجد لما خلقت بيدي أستكبرت أم كنت من العالين.
He, Allah, said, O Iblis, what has prevented you from prostrating before that which I created with my hands? Have you resorted to arrogance, or were you always among the conceited?
قال أنا خير منه خلقتني من نار وخلقته من طين.
He said, I am better than him. You created me from fire and you created him from clay.
قال فاخرج منها فإنك رجيم.
He said, Begone from it, i.e. paradise. Indeed, you are accursed.
وإن عليك لعنتي إلى يوم الدين.
My curse is upon you until the day of judgment.
قال رب فأنظرني إلى يوم يبعثون.
He said, O my Lord, grant me respite until the day they shall be raised.
قال فإنك من المنظرين.
He, Allah, said, Indeed, you are among those granted respite.
إلى يوم الوقت المعلوم.
Until the day of a specified time.
قال فبعزتك لأغوينهم أجمعين.
He said, By your honor, I shall most definitely misguide them all.
إلا عبادك منهم المخلصين.
Except those among them who are your chosen ones.
قال فالحق والحق أقول.
He, Allah, said, So the truth is from me, and I only state the truth.
لأملأن جهنم منك وممن تبعك منهم أجمعين.
And I shall most definitely fill hell with you and with all those who are your followers from them.
قل ما أسألكم عليه من أجر وما أنا من المتكلفين.
Say, I do not ask you for any recompense for it, and I am not among the fabricators.
إن هو إلا ذكر للعالمين.
This is only advice for the inhabitants of the worlds.
وَلَتَعْلَمُنَّ نَبَأَهُ بَعْدَ حِينٍ.
And shall most definitely come to know its news after a while. Surah Al-Zumar, the crowds. This surah is Meccan, containing 8 sections and 75 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
تنزيل الكتاب من الله العزيز الحكيم.
The revelation of the book is from Allah, the most exalted, the most wise.
إنا أنزلنا إليك الكتاب بالحق فاعبد الله مخلصا له الدين.
Indeed, we have revealed the book to you with the truth. So worship Allah, devoting religion solely to Him.
ألا لله الدين الخالص والذين اتخذوا من دونه أولياء ما نعبدهم إلا ليقربونا إلى الله زلفى إن الله يحكم بينهم فيما هم فيه يختلفون إن الله لا يهدي من هو كاذب كفار.
Pay heed, worship is purely for Allah, and those who have taken helpers other than Him, they say, we only worship them, idols, so that they may bring us closer to Allah. Surely Allah will judge between them regarding that which they are disputing. Allah does not guide one who is a liar, deeply ungrateful.
لو أراد الله أن يتخذ ولدا لاصطفى مما يخلق ما يشاء سبحانه هو الله الواحد القهار.
Had Allah wanted to take a child for Himself, He would have chosen anyone He willed from His creation. He is pure. He is the one, the predominant.
خلق السماوات والأرض بالحق يكور الليل على النهار ويكور النهار على الليل وسخر الشمس والقمر كل يجري لأجل مسمى ألا هو العزيز الغفار.
He created the heavens and the earth with the truth. He folds the night over the day, and He folds the day over the night. And He sets the sun and the moon in motion. Each shall orbit for a specified term. Pay heed. He is the most exalted, the most forgiving.
خلقكم من نفس واحدة ثم جعل منها زوجها وأنزل لكم من الأنعام 8 أزواج يخلقكم في بطون أمهاتكم خلقا من بعد خلق في ظلمات 3 ذلكم الله ربكم له الملك لا إله إلا هو فأنى تصرفون.
He created you from one life, then made from him his wife. And He made 8 pairs of beasts for you. He creates you in the wombs of your mothers in 3 stages of darkness, one state followed by another. This Allah is your Lord. The kingdom belongs to Him alone. There is none worthy of worship except Him. So where are you turned away?
إن تكفروا فإن الله غني عنكم ولا يرضى لعباده الكفر وإن تشكروا يرضه لكم ولا تزر وازرة وزر أخرى ثم إلى ربكم مرجعكم فينبئكم بما كنتم تعملون إنه عليم بذات الصدور.
And if you are ungrateful, then indeed Allah is infinitely independent of you, and He is not pleased with ungratefulness for His people. And if you express gratitude, He will like it for you. And no bearer of burden shall bear the burden of another. Then to your Lord will be your return. So He will relate to you what you were doing. He knows the matters of the heart.
وإذا مس الإنسان ضر دعا ربه منيبا إليه ثم إذا خوله نعمة منه نسي ما كان يدعو إليه من قبل وجعل لله أندادا ليضل عن سبيله قل تمتع بكفرك قليلا إنك من أصحاب النار.
And when an affliction befalls man, he calls upon his Lord inclined to him. Then when He endows him with a blessing from His court, he forgets that affliction which he was calling towards previously, and he begins to ascribe partners to Allah that he may misguide from His path. Say, take benefit with your disbelief for a short while. Indeed, you are among the people of the fire.
أَمَّنْ هُوَ قَانِتٌ آنَاءَ اللَّيْلِ سَاجِدًا وَقَائِمًا يَحْذَرُ الْآخِرَةَ وَيَرْجُو رَحْمَةَ رَبِّهِ قُلْ هَلْ يَسْتَوِي الَّذِينَ يَعْلَمُونَ وَالَّذِينَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ إنما يتذكر أولو الألباب.
Is he who spends the hours of the night in obedience, prostrating and standing in prayer, fears the hereafter and has hope in the mercy of his Lord, equal to the disobedient? Say, are those who know and those who do not know equal? Only the possessors of insight accept advice.
قل يا عبادي الذين آمنوا اتقوا ربكم للذين أحسنوا في هذه الدنيا حسنة وأرض الله واسعة إنما يوفى الصابرون أجرهم بغير حساب.
Say, O my believing people, fear your Lord. There is goodness in this world for those who did good, and the land of Allah is vast. The patient will be granted their reward fully without measure.
قل إني أمرت أن أعبد الله مخلصا له الدين.
Say, indeed, I have been commanded to worship Allah, devoting the religion solely to Him.
وأمرت لأن أكون أول المسلمين.
And I have been commanded to be the first Muslim.
قل إني أخاف إن عصيت ربي عذاب يوم عظيم.
Say, indeed, I fear the punishment of a momentous day were I to disobey my Lord.
قل الله أعبد مخلصا له ديني.
Say, I only worship Allah, devoting my religion solely to Him.
فاعبدوا ما شئتم من دونه قل إن الخاسرين الذين خسروا أنفسهم وأهليهم يوم القيامة ألا ذلك هو الخسران المبين.
So worship whatever you desire other than Him. Say, indeed the losers are those who have ruined themselves and their kin on the day of judgment. Pay heed, that is the clear loss.
لهم من فوقهم ظلل من النار ومن تحتهم ظلل ذلك يخوف الله به عباده يا عباد فاتقون.
For them there will be mountains of fire above them and mountains of fire below them. Allah instills fear into His people with it. O my people, so fear me.
والذين اجتنبوا الطاغوت أن يعبدوها وأنابوا إلى الله لهم البشرى فبشر عباد.
And those who refrain from the worship of idols and turn to Allah, there is good news for them. So give glad tidings to my people.
الذين يستمعون القول فيتبعون أحسنه أولئك الذين هداهم الله وأولئك هم أولو الألباب.
Those who listen attentively to the word and follow its best part, it is they whom Allah guided and it is they who are the possessors of insight.
أفمن حق عليه كلمة العذاب أفأنت تنقذ من في النار.
So is the one against whom the decree of punishment has been established equal to those who were granted salvation? So will you save one who is deserving of the fire?
لكن الذين اتقوا ربهم لهم غرف من فوقها غرف مبنية تجري من تحتها الأنهار وعد الله لا يخلف الله الميعاد.
However, for those who fear their Lord, there are palaces above which there are more elevated palaces. Rivers flow beneath them. This is the promise of Allah. Allah does not go against His promise.
ألم تر أن الله أنزل من السماء ماء فسلكه ينابيع في الأرض ثم يخرج به زرعا مختلفا ألوانه ثم يخرج به زرعا مختلفا ألوانه ثم يهيج فتراه مصفرا ثم يجعله حطاما إن في ذلك لذكرى لأولي الألباب.
Did you not see that Allah sent down water from the sky? Then He caused it to enter springs within the earth. Then He brings forth different coloured crops with it. Then it, i.e., the crop dries out. So you see that it becomes yellow. Then Allah makes it into scattered pieces. In this is advice for the possessors of insight.
أفمن شرح الله صدره للإسلام فهو على نور من ربه فويل للقاسية قلوبهم من ذكر الله أولئك في ضلال مبين.
So is he whose chest Allah opened for Islam, so he is upon light from his Lord, be equal to the stone-hearted one? So woe to those whose hearts are hardened against the remembrance of Allah. They are in clear misguidance.
الله نزل أحسن الحديث كتابا متشابها مثاني تقشعر منه جلود الذين يخشون ربهم ثم تلين جلودهم وقلوبهم إلى ذكر الله ذلك هدى الله يهدي به من يشاء ومن يضلل الله فما له من هاد.
Allah sent down the best book, similar and repeatedly recited. The skins of those who fear their Lord tremble due to it. Then their skins and their hearts soften for the remembrance of Allah. This is the guidance of Allah. He guides with it whomsoever He wills, and whomsoever He leaves to stray, so there is no guide for him.
أفمن يتقي بوجهه سوء العذاب يوم القيامة وقيل للظالمين ذوقوا ما كنتم تكسبون.
Is he who will try to prevent the terrible punishment of the day of judgment with his face equal to those who were granted salvation? And it will be said to the oppressors, taste that which you earn.
كذب الذين من قبلهم فأتاهم العذاب من حيث لا يشعرون.
Those before them rejected, so punishment came upon them from where they did not perceive.
فأذاقهم الله الخزي في الحياة الدنيا ولعذاب الآخرة أكبر لو كانوا يعلمون.
And Allah made them taste humiliation in the life of this world, and the punishment of the hereafter is the severest, if only they knew.
ولقد ضربنا للناس في هذا القرآن من كل مثل لعلهم يتذكرون.
And we have certainly stated every kind of example in this Quran for the people that they may attain advice.
قرآنا عربيا غير ذي عوج لعلهم يتقون.
An Arabic Quran without deviation, that they may fear Allah.
ضرب الله مثلا رجلا فيه شركاء متشاكسون ورجلا سلما لرجل هل يستويان مثلا الحمد لله بل أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
Allah stated the example of a slave owned by many ill-mannered masters and a slave belonging solely to a single man. Are both the same in terms of their state? All praise is for Allah. However, most of them do not know.
إنك ميت وإنهم ميتون.
Dear beloved Prophet, indeed you will taste death, and they too will die.
ثم إنكم يوم القيامة عند ربكم تختصمون.
Then, O people, indeed you will dispute before your Lord on the day of judgment.